Hi and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you this simple video for how to create a website for an animal control service business. It's quick and easy using Mighty Sites. If you haven't used this before, it's only $9 a month. And all you have to do to get started is just simply start your free trial, put in your name and email, and then you just select your local business type. So for me, I'm going to select animal control service here. And then the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to enter in company name. So we'll just call this Keegan's Animal Control. And then city, so this is in Denver, Colorado, and then type of business, that would be a service business, and then click continue. Now, as soon as I do that, you're gonna see that quickly and easily, the website actually gets auto-generated for me. So you can see, without me having to do anything, the website template was just automatically generated for my business. Now I can go in here and just make simple edits and point and click editor. So it makes it really easy to create a simple professional website. So let's just say I want to change the colors. Maybe I like blue, or maybe I like green. I just simply click on this button and switch over to a different color theme that I prefer. So that's really quick and easy, and I can just change the colors of the site. Next, to put in my contact information, I just simply go into any of these boxes. I click on update section, and then I just put in like my email and show my email on the site. And then maybe I want to put in my phone number. So I put in my phone number and I can show that on the site. And then I can also choose to, put in my address or not. I can add social media links. So if I have like a Facebook page for my animal control service, I can put that in. You just copy and paste it in, and the same, you'll get the icon and everything no matter which one you enter in here. So it's super easy to do. If I want to update this section, like let's just say I want to add a menu item, I just go over here and new item, and then I can choose where it links. So either to another website, to somewhere else on my website, to an action item like a click to call or click to email, to a PDF. But I can, as soon as I do that, let's just link to somewhere else on my website for now and click confirm, add it to the menu and save. And now you can see there's the new menu item on my site. To add my logo, it's super easy too. I can just upload from my computer. So let me just search my computer for my logo. So you can see I'll just kind of scroll down here and find a logo I want to use. As soon as I do that, it's going to load for me. And then I just click save. And now my logo's on the site. Now I can click these buttons to make it bigger or make it smaller. And then I can click on this little pencil icon. And then I can use all these different image editing tools. So if I want to like crop it down, I can add filters to it. I can fine tune it. I can annotate it, put a frame around it. So all of these are built in for editing my pictures and logos too. So that's really easy to use. So I'll just save that and close it. And now my logo's there. So you can see really quickly and easily, my website's coming along nice. I can click on stop editing so you can kind of see what it looks like without those update section buttons. So that took me to the dashboard. So now I'm going to go here. If I want to update any of this, so let's just say like schedule an appointment. Maybe you want that to say like request assistance, right? Or something like that, right? Whatever you want it to say. You can edit that really easily. If you want to change any of this, you could type in, things below it like great service and highly recommended. Right, you could type in things there. You could edit any of the upper text, the hero text, or the subheading. So it's really easy to edit any section of this website too. Now, if I go over here, I can click on Contact Us. So I can actually, this is always a good spot to like put in your phone number too. So I could go over here, and let's just say my action item is to click to call. I can put in my phone number and then save it. And now if someone clicks on this, it's automatically going to call my business. And a lot of people are on mobile when they access this too. You can type in new things too, like this is how to make a website for an animal control service, right? So you just type that in, really nice and easy, and then you can kind of make it italics or bold, whatever you want it to be. So that's really nice and easy to do too. So I'm going to close that out. Really cool thing when you change pictures too. So if I change this image, and let's just say I want a different image here, I can browse and upload an image from my computer, or I can go to search the photo library, and I can just pick from all these different images that are up. So let's just say you want different images of skunks, You can type in skunks. And so you can actually just like use this, all this library of images is all built in for you. So you can use any images that you find here, just simply upload them to your computer, and you can replace the images that exist there. So it's really nice, simple, and easy way to change out the photos on your site. And all of these are pre-licensed for you to use too. So if I like that one, I can just say, hey, you know what, that one is good. So once you're done and you launch the site, you're going to get leads through your website like this. So this is where people can go and contact you. So if I put in my phone number, my email address, and then say I am in need of an animal control service, right? And then I just click send. Now I'll get a little thank you message, and then you can click on stop editing and see what your site looks like. And you can see I'm pretty well done. I've got a nice, simple, professional website in just a matter of a couple minutes. So it's really simple and easy to do. And again, it's only $9 a month. Now, if I go to the site dashboard, I can see I've got a new lead here. It's got their information, so I can contact them, and I'll get an email alerting me that I have a new lead too. And then you can connect a domain. So you just copy and paste in your domain. And then once you do that, you'll get an actual notification, or you'll actually just go in and edit the domain settings in your registrar like Google or GoDaddy so that it points your website, or so that that domain points back to your new website. And then once that's all set, it'll link up, you'll be ready to go, and you can launch a new website. So that's it. So that's how, in just a matter of minutes and for $9 a month, you can launch a nice, simple, professional website for your animal control business. Click on the link below. It's only $9 a month. There's a 7-day free trial. If you click on the link below, it'll take you right there to give it a try yourself and get started. No credit card required. Good luck.